can also raise small little queries, raise hands, whatever, but be an interactive class. That is how it would be, very, very fruitful to all of us, right? Okay. So one of the things which I've realized is over a period of time, and I've been working in the army for quite some time, then I decided to be in the corporate, and again it had to be planned. And now I have decided that besides a job, a regular corporate job, I will also like to start working as a coach. तो ये जब आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि आप एक गोल सेट करते हैं कि मुझे एक कोचिंग में जाना है या किस तरीके की कोचिंग में जाना है, कैरियर कोचिंग में जाना है, तो आपको जब तक ये प्लान नहीं करेंगे तब तक एक वो विश के बराबर है कि आपने सोचा कि मुझे एक ये चीज करनी है और उसके बाद में आपने उसके ऊपर कोई अमल नहीं किया. So once you don't work on it and you don't plan on it, then how do you do it, right? So hi, once again, welcome to my master class. I am Atul Holkar, founder of Art of Working, a supply chain professional, a career strategist, life and happiness coach, an army veteran. And above all these things, in these slightly difficult times, I'm also your friend and coach. One thing which I've realized is, as my advertisement was also saying, that we all want to go to heaven, right? But we don't want to die and go to heaven. मतलब हमें स्वर्ग का सुख चाहिए, लेकिन मर के स्वर्ग का सुख नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे ही मिल जाए. सिमिलरली हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजें कहते हैं, ऐसी कार होनी चाहिए, ऐसा घर होना चाहिए, ये सब चीजें होनी चाहिए, लेकिन होता क्या, हम ये सब डिसाइड करने के बावजूद भी हम उसके ऊपर अमल नहीं करते, उसके लिए कोई प्लान नहीं करते, उसके ऊपर कोई कैरियर काउंसलिंग नहीं कराते ताकि आप ये समझ सके कि आप किस तरीके का प्लान उसके अंदर करेंगे. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ डू यू कन्वर्ट योर विश इनटू अ गोल. अगर आप क्रिकेट भी लेंगे तो आप देखिए, क्रिकेट के अंदर चाहे आपकी फर्स्ट पारी में आप खेल रहे हैं, यू आर प्लेइंग इन द फर्स्ट इनिंग और इन द सेकंड इनिंग, द कैप्टन एंड द टीम हैज टू डिसाइड a target. Unless until you have a target, you will not be able to win the match. Imagine you are playing football and there is no goal. So what is the football all about, right? आप अपनी डे टू डे जिंदगी में भी देख लीजिए, आप कितनी गोल सेटिंग करते हैं. आपने कहीं जाना है तो उसके लिए आप करते हैं कि भाई इतना टाइम लगेगा, ये सब करेगा, ये तैयारी करेंगे, ये कपड़े पहनेंगे, ये ऐसे खाना खाएंगे और यहाँ जाना है. That is also a small objective or a goal setting, right? But when you look into your career planning, you really don't put that kind of effort. और हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट सारी रहती है, हमें डिजायर सारी रहती है, लेकिन we don't do that, right? And who can help you achieve your career goals? कौन ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो आपको आपके गोल्स को अचीव करा सकता है, आपको अपने लक्ष्य तक पहुंचा सकता है, आपको अपने सपने साकार करके दे सकता है, और वो कौन है? आप. Can I see the okay. So what basically is important to understand is, anyone who's there has to decide, and it is you who has to decide. It is you who is the most important person to achieve any goals you desire. And goals can be anything in life. So a lot of people have career goals, people have business goals, people have personal goals. People like हम लोग अगर कॉर्पोरेट में काम करते हैं तो हमारी कंपनीज हमें गोल सेटिंग कराती है जो कि कंपनी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को डील करती हैं. पर हमेशा एक गोल होना चाहिए. कई लोग अपने वेट लॉस के लिए गोल करते हैं, कई लोग मॉडलिंग के लिए गोल करते हैं कि मुझे अपनी मसल्स बनानी है, लुक्स को चेंज करना है तो मैं मॉडलिंग कर सकूं. Why goal is important? Because this is a reality check. People often have big goals and they desire, but they're not willing to put in that kind of efforts to accomplish. मतलब इतनी मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते हैं. Then you put the efforts into accomplish. So in this section, let's answer few questions. And these are, does this goal really matter? आपने जो गोल डिसाइड किया है, क्या वो आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्या वो मैटर करता है? ये पर्सनल गोल है या कोई बिजनेस गोल है? मतलब मान लीजिए मुझे अपना वेट कम करना है, अपने बिहेवियरल पैटर्न को चेंज करना है, नाराज कम होना है, आई हैव टू मैनेज माय एंगर, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पर्सनल गोल. It can also, personal goal also can be related to your career. But if it is related to your business, as to I want to double my business, or in a corporate, that's called business goal. How will you accomplish? And once you accomplish, मतलब पहले तो आप कैसे वो गोल को accomplish कर लेंगे, फिर how will you advance your business or career, ये सब चीजें करेंगे. तो that is why the goal is very important, and there has to be a reality check. Have you ever thought where would you be in say 1 year? आजकल हम बात करते हैं कि जैसे नॉर्मल जॉब के अंदर भी we come to know about certain things and we realize that हमारा प्रमोशन नहीं हो रहा. जब हम ये डिसाइड देखते हैं कि हमारा प्रमोशन नहीं हो रहा, तो हम फिर बड़े परेशान हो जाते हैं, अपने बॉस से परेशान हो जाते हैं, अपनी टीम से परेशान हो जाते हैं, हम बुराइयां करते हैं. We become very difficult to handle, and this entire thing becomes very difficult for us to handle. But we have not no planning. एंड नाउ वी एक्सपेक्टिंग रिजल्ट. हमने इस बारे में कुछ समझ तो की नहीं थी. हमने कभी बैठ के कागज पे नहीं लिखा कि 1 साल में मैं कहाँ हूँगा. आपने कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करी, आपने कोई स्किलिंग नहीं करी, आपने अपने कोई चीज ऐसी नहीं करी, तो आप ऑब्वियसली वहीं रहेंगे जहां थे. और हो सकता है उसमें भी आप स्लिप करें, क्योंकि ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपके सारे कलीग आप जैसे हैं जो मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हैं. कुछ तो कलीग जरूर ऐसे होंगे जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं. फिर एक सवाल है कि क्या 5 साल, 1 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, what experiences will help you achieve that? मतलब आपको ऐसे से क्या क्या चीजें करनी होगी जिस तरीके से, जिससे कि आप अपने गोल को अचीव कर सकते हैं. what interests and skills do you like to use in your career? मतलब आपको ऐसे कौन सी होता है. कई लोग होता है जिनको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की जरूरत होती है, किसी को लैंग्वेज लर्न करनी है, चाहे इंग्लिश ही लर्न करनी है, या वो फ्रांस की किसी कंपनी में काम करता है तो फ्रेंच लर्न करनी है, या उसको ऐसी कोई स्किल है, चाहे वो एक्सेल शीट्स है, चाहे कोई और टेक्निकल चीजें हैं. ब्लॉकचेन है, अगर सप्लाई चेन के अंदर आप देखें तो ब्लॉकचेन उसको लर्न करना है, या डेटा एनालिटिक्स का काम करना है, तो वो स्किल डेवलप करना है जिससे कि वो कैरियर हो. Setting a career goal is all about deciding where you want to head in your career, right? मतलब आप अपने गोल को आइसोलेशन में नहीं ले जा सकते कि मुझे प्रमोशन चाहिए, मुझे इसी कंपनी में प्रमोशन चाहिए. वो कंपनी है, क्या आप इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करना चाहते हैं, कितने साल और काम करना चाहते हैं, पर आप रियलाइज करते हैं कि आपको अपने करियर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए ये सब चीजें प्लान करनी पड़ेगी. लेकिन आपने जब तक इन चीजों के ऊपर बैठ के बात नहीं करते, समझते नहीं है, लिखते नहीं है, प्लान नहीं करते, हाउ डू यू थिंक यू विल अचीव दिस? वी स्पेंड सो मच ऑफ टाइम टू डिसाइड. अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि लेट्स इमेजिन देयर इज अ मैरिज इन द फैमिली. अभी तो कोविड की वजह से हम लोग इधर उधर जा नहीं रहे, लेकिन मान लीजिए सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए और हमें शादी अटेंड करनी है अपनी कजन की या ब्रदर की या किसी की, तो हम क्या क्या डिसाइड करते हैं. हमें कब जाना है, बॉस से छुट्टी लेनी है, उसके बाद हमने ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि भाई कपड़े सिलवाने हैं, फिर कौन से कपड़े कब पहने हैं, चाहे दिन के अंदर 3 बार हमको बदलना पड़े, फिर उसके बाद किससे मिलना है, क्या करना है, ये सारी चीजें आप पूरी प्लानिंग करते हैं. फिर आप रिजर्वेशंस करते हैं, ट्रेन के, प्लेन के, किसी भी रिजर्वेशन को, ये सब चीजें करते हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि क्या हम कैरियर के अंदर ये प्लानिंग करते हैं, तो मैं आपको 99% लोगों से बता सकता हूं कि इतनी डिटेल प्लानिंग नहीं कोई करता है. और आई हैव रियलाइज दिस. और मैं आई हैव नियर मोर देन 30 years of experience, and I used to be exactly like most of these people. When I did my graduation, I did from subjects that I have never used in my life after that. That was botany, zoology, chemistry. केमिस्ट जो होता है, जो दवाई वाला, दैट इज द मोस्ट रिलेटेड थिंग आई कैन रिलेट टू माय एजुकेशन इन ग्रेजुएशन. देन आई my parents and everyone in the family said army is very great, so I was forced to give some CDS examination. I passed in that and I did SSB and I went into the army. Was it a plan? No, it wasn't a plan. Na? It took me nearly 15 years in the army to start planning that I can go out in the corporate and work. Then I started planning to. After 15 years. And I lost 15 years. In the army, obviously, they do a lot of career planning, but if you have to work outside, how do you do that? Right? So I did not know how to do my career planning. Second part is that once I did that career planning, then I came out to the corporate. Even in the corporate, it took me some time to understand that if you have to reach the top level, you have to be HOD of a department, you have to be a head of a business, then obviously you have to do career planning. You can't expect results without doing your career planning, right? Okay, some of the examples which I see on a very daily basis as to how we do all this planning. जिम की मेंबरशिप ले ली, और जब मैं जाता हूँ 1 जनवरी से लेके 15 जनवरी तक, तो जब मैं जिम में जाता हूँ तो मैं देखता हूँ इतनी भीड़ होती है. There are so many people in the gym, and I'm frustrated and I go to the gym manager and ask him, why are you doing this? He says, sir, don't worry, just wait for 1 month, half of the people will stop coming. We all have this plan from 1st January, I'm going to look after my body, as if 31st के पहले उसकी importance नहीं थी. लेकिन we all look into this part and say, I will start handling my life or my body or my health after 1st. And after 30th of January, we forget this. Then sometime we decide कि अब हम किताब पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे. तो किसी दोस्त को पूछेंगे आजकल कौन सी अच्छी किताब पढ़ रही है. भाई वो तो तुमको डिसाइड करनी पड़ेगी ना कि तुम्हारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है. What is your favorite subject to read? So then someone will recommend a book. You will pick up that book, but you will not read a book. Then you come to weight loss programs. So you want to reduce your weight after 10 days and 15 days. Again, you give up and start eating. Similarly, financial savings. You want to save so much of money, and then what happens is that you stop saving money beyond a point, right? So you have to understand that some direction has to be brought in. What stops you in achieving your goals? Let's do this one exercise, that what stops us from doing that. Things you wanted to do but you couldn't. So just think all those things that कि मैं इतनी चीजें ये सब करना चाहता था लेकिन मैं कर नहीं पाया. Things you don't like about yourself. देखिए, चाहे वो आपके पेरेंट्स चिल्लाते हैं, चाहे आपकी वाइफ चिल्लाते हैं, आपके स्पाउस चिल्लाता है, लेकिन जो भी है आपको ये पता है कि आप कुछ चीजें गलत करते हैं और यू डोंट लाइक अबाउट इट. कि मैं कई चीजें, मैं 10 बजे तक सोता हूँ, कई चीजें ऐसी होती है कि मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ, आके लेट जाता हूँ, मैं मेहनत नहीं करता हूँ, मैं जिम नहीं जाता हूँ या अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं रखता. तो ये चीजें खुद भी अपने आप को स्टॉप करती हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज, इट इज ऑल्सो देयर दैट समटाइम्स it also we have some belief कि मेरे बस का काम नहीं है. You know, this is one of the major areas which says ये मेरे बस का काम नहीं है. So what happens is that you keep thinking English I can't speak, मैं ये पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता, ये मैथमेटिक्स नहीं आता मुझे, मैं नंबर वाला आदमी नहीं हूँ, मैं I can't write English, I can't do a public speaking kind of thing. All those things happens, right? So these are self-limiting belief कि मैं नहीं कर सकता. तो इस वजह से ऐसी कई चीजें, तो आप इस फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में I would request you to start thinking what are your self limiting belief कि मैं अपने आप को कैसे अंदर से खुद ही रोक लेता हूं, ये नहीं कर सकता. Right now let's go to understand why we keep failing, and why I'm telling you all this is because this is a very practical examples which we need to understand, which you do in everyday life. पहले होते हैं and I call that default position, because ये मेरी स्टैंडर्ड लुक है, पोजीशन है कि जी आज मेरा वेट मान लीजिए 80 kgs है and I want to reduce it to 75. So what do I do is I say this is my default position. So I say after a few weeks I will go to gym and from there I will reduce my weight by a kilo. So after a few days, अच्छा मैं किलो हो गया, I'm very happy now. I'll start eating samosas and after a few weeks I'm back to my default position, right? So you don't cross that threshold. जो आपने अगर साइंस में भी देखा होगा कि जो रॉकेट होता है, it has to cross the gravitational force of earth, then only it will get into the space. So you have to cross where everything is pulling you down, that gravitation force which is pulling you down, you need to cross to the next level, right? अगर आप देखें वीडियो गेम्स खेलते, unless and until you close or you win the level 1, you can't go to level 2. So you need to understand that you got to stick to your program so that you can go out of from the default position. It's never too late. Never too late. You want to change your life, you want to do something new, it is never too late. You decide today and today it can happen. You don't have to wait for one Monday to come. We have these very false sense, you know, Monday को करूँगा, first से करूँगा, अगले महीने से करूँगा. बस ये सब चीजें तो हम अपने आप में डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि यह सारी चीजों से ही हमने अपना गोल सेटिंग करनी है. What is it all about goals? Goal can be anything. You can have any objective that you set yourself and push yourself to achieve. तो goal कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज हमारे गोल ना हम कई बार बहुत छोटे कर देते हैं कि एक प्रमोशन हो जाए या मेरी सैलरी डबल हो जाए, जो भी सैलरी डबल हो जाए। भाई डबल क्यों हो जाए यार, 10 टाइम्स क्यों नहीं आप गोल कर सकते? आप अपने आप को बिजनेस हेड के पोजीशन में क्यों नहीं जाते? आप क्यों नहीं कहते मुझे सीईओ बनना है? आप ये क्यों सोच के चलते हैं कि मैं अगले प्रमोशन के लिए गोल है मेरा? वो गोल नहीं होता, वो एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है। गोल और ऑब्जेक्टिव में यही चीज कमी होती है कि गोल एक बड़ा होता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव छोटे छोटे से ऑब्जेक्टिव होते हैं। आज टाइम से उठ जाऊंगा तो मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव हो गया, टाइम से ऑफिस पहुंच जाऊंगा तो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, ठीक है, अपना काम टाइम से सबमिट कर दूंगा वो ऑब्जेक्टिव है। लेकिन गोल्स बहुत बड़े होते हैं। तो आप अगर सोच को बड़ी कीजिए, यू हैव रीच्ड योर लेवल। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज आप किससे कंपेयर करते हैं अपने आप को? जो आपके कलीग्स हैं, आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, आपके रिश्तेदार हैं, उनसे आप करते हैं। या आपने अपनी जो सीवी में लिख दिया कि मैं जो हूँ ऑपरेशन का आदमी हूँ या टेक्निकल हूँ, बस ये मेरे यही है मेरा गोल, इससे ज्यादा मेरे को जरूरत नहीं है। सो दैट स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम ग्रोइंग because you don't think big. What you see around you is the best. So someday, someone one day were telling me a coolie got a lottery of 10 lakh rupees on working on a railway station, and they asked that coolie, what will you do with this 10 lakh rupees? So what did the coolie say? He said, I will eat 100 eggs first, the boiled eggs which they sell outside on the platform. So what his thought process was very limited. He just thought, what best can I get is those 100 eggs I can eat. So once again, the goals have to be big. They can't be small. Secondly, they don't compare yourself with your surrounding, your friends, your people, your colleagues and all this. If your goals are big, obviously they are in the different area of life. They are in a larger company, much brilliant set of people, maybe in another country altogether, right? So, and don't keep falling back. आज मैंने 5 किलोमीटर का किया, कल मैं फिर 4 किलोमीटर पे आ गया, फिर मैंने परसों बंद कर दिया. So you have to be consistent in your entire setup, right? Let's see a few examples of a typical career goal, right? Increase professional knowledge and training. This can be a goal. Bilkul, you need to, improve onto your join a college or in college workshop. You can go for a certification. It can be both useful for your work. If you are employed or you want to get employed into a new company, then you want to increase your earnings. मतलब अपनी salary को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं. Getting less salary for your qualifications is always demotivating. हमें लगता है यार मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई करी, इतना कुछ किया, मैंने इंजीनियरिंग करी और मुझे 20,000 की नौकरी मिल रही है. So you have to ensure that your goals are like this, that I should get 10 lakh rupees salary per month. And to do that, you should also start looking as to how will I do that? And that keeps you motivated as to how do I do that, right? Improve your low functioning work process and relationship. हम जो है ना पॉजिटिव नहीं रहते हैं, हम अपने डे टू डे काम को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से नहीं करते, तो वो हम चाहते हैं कई बार कि हम अपनी लो फंक्शनिंग वर्क प्रोसेस और रिलेशनशिप्स को ऑफिस में ठीक करें. सो दैट कैन आल्सो बी अ गोल. Lot of people are sometimes not very happy in their work culture or in their office, and they are not one of the most popular people. So it can be a goal that you want to be popular in your office. So a lot of people want to, have new experiences. People say, my goal is to visit 10 countries in this year. Not in 2020. मुझे नहीं मालूम कि कोविड के अंदर आप 20-10 कंट्री जा पाएंगे या कोई आपको अंदर आने देगा, लेकिन एटलीस्ट चलो जब कोविड खत्म हो जाए तो बहुत लोगों के होते हैं. और बहुत लोगों को मैं मिला हूं जिन्होंने कहा कि भाई उन्होंने 20 कंट्रीज, 25 कंट्रीज, 100 कंट्री देखी. ऐसे मैं कई लोगों की यूट्यूब देखता हूं जो 100 कंट्रीज को विजिट कर चुके हैं. तो कोई लोग कहते हैं मैं वॉलंटरी करना चाहता हूँ, कोई कहता है मैं प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन में ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, हर प्रोफेशन का अपना एक इंडस्ट्री का एसोसिएशन होता है, वो ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ. Attain a leadership role. I want to be the CEO of the company after 5 years, 10 years. I want to start my own startup. I want to establish my own business. This can be your typical career goals. Let's see. There are these wonderful people called Pappu and Raju. Now, Raju and Pappu are two good friends. Raju sets his goals and Pappu is like Pappu. He doesn't want to set any goals. सुबह आराम से उठता है, मोबाइल पे आधा 1 घंटा तक व्हाट्सएप करता है, फिर 25 मिनट तक उसके गाने सुनता है, फिर वो यूट्यूब में जाता है, फिर वो यूट्यूब देखता है, फिर वो उसके बाद फिर याद में आ जाता है अरे व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे करना, फिर वो व्हाट्सएप पे चले, तो पूरी साइकिल पप्पू की वैसे चलती। राजू इज डिफरेंट, राइट? एंड राजू इज ए सक्सेसफुल राजू. He has a sense of purpose. He knows what he wants to do in life, right? He has the exact plan for achievement of success, you know. So he knows कि आज से 2 साल बाद मुझे सीनियर मैनेजर बनना है, आज से 5 साल में मुझे जीएम बनना है, आज से 10 साल में मुझे सीओ लेवल पे जाना है, ये जरूरी है. तो वो उसलिए he has a plan. He uses his time to best of his ability and sticks to the plan. So if he has to learn certain skills to go become GM, so he will start learning those. So he sticks to his plan. He doesn't procrastinate. That means वो अपना time waste नहीं करता. He ensures that whatever he does is to advance his goals, and then he fulfills desires and then sets his new goals. एक बार जब वो एक पुराने गोल हो जाते हैं अचीव, उसके बाद वो दूसरे गोल को अचीव करने की तैयारी करता है. दूसरा जो है वो अब आए पप्पू के पास. पप्पू जी क्या करते हैं, उनको पता ही नहीं जीवन में करना क्या, बस वो चल रहा है, जीवन तो चलता है, ठीक है. तो आराम से, ना तो उनको कोई टेंशन है. अगर माँ बाप ने गाली दे दी, दोस्तों ने उसे पूछा भाई तू क्या कर रहा है, यार कर लेंगे यार कुछ ना कुछ, बड़ा पूरी जिंदगी बाकी है अभी. डज नॉट हैव एनी प्लान. हमेशा बोले अच्छा कोई नौकरी दिला दे तो नौकरी में अच्छी तरीके से काम नहीं करना, उसमें मेहनत नहीं करना, कोई अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है इन सब चीजों की. डज नॉट नो हाउ व्हाट टू स्पेंड ऑन टाइम टू अचीव सक्सेस. पूरा दिन हो जाता है शाम तक, तब उनको ध्यान आता है अरे यार वो मेरे को एक मेल भेजनी थी, वो मैंने मेल नहीं भेजी. रात को 10 बजे फिर वो उठ के मेल भेज रहे हैं कि जी बॉस सॉरी, actually I was very troubled that my someone relative was sick, I had to take the relative to office, please accept the report now. Then stagnate. पूरे टाइम उनका जो होता है ना, वो कहता है जी 5 साल से मेरा प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ. किसी ने आपने मेहनत तो करी नहीं, आप तो आप प्रमोशन भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. 5 साल जो कि पीरियड हो गया, 5 साल तो मेरा प्रमोशन होना चाहिए था. उसके अलावा आप क्या करते हैं कि आप ये सोच के चलते हैं कि आप भाई आप अगर नहीं प्रमोशन हो तो इंडस्ट्री बदल लेनी, तो ये तो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल जगह है, मेरा बॉस भी मुझे जानता है, मैं भी बॉस को जानता हूँ, तो क्या चेंज करना. वी बोथ आर हैप्पी विद ईच अदर. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही डजंट वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग. Let's look into 5 mistakes people make while deciding their goals. 5 mistakes which people make deciding their goals. What are these 5 mistakes? Too many goals. Firstly, there are too many goals. Akshay, Akhil, I'm sure you would be relating to a lot of friends of yours or yourself at some time in life where you would be thinking that, I have had too many goals. Suddenly, especially when you are in the college and all, you have too many goals. कि मुझे ये भी सीखना है, ये भी सीखना है, नौकरी भी ढूंढनी है, लैंग्वेज भी करनी है, presentation skills भी करनी है. तो all these things happen. Siddharth, you also would be relating to this. Conflicting goals and random, not aligned to overall goal. So I want to learn Chinese. No, that is my goal. But lose 15 kgs in this summer is a specific goal. So I want to become GM of my company, it's fine. But if I say I want to be at this particular level in my company, is very specific, right? In this company, any other company, I want to double my salary is another one in next 2 years. Then it should be measurable. So you can say like weight loss is measurable, income is measurable. So it should be measurable. Second is it should be achievable. I suddenly decide that I should replace Mr. Mukesh Ambani. I mean, I would love to, but he may not like it, right? So it has to be achievable. It should be, and it should not be so small that in any case you can achieve it. So make it challenging. You should be challenging. It should be relevant. Now, as I gave you the example of learning Chinese, if I put that as a goal, how is it helping me? Probably I can go to Ladakh sector and talk to Chinese and say, don't fight. That's the only advantage at this stage I can see. But it's got no relevance to my overall career plan. Then it has to be time bound. It has to be time bound. You can't have open-ended goals. When you travel also, जब आप travel भी करते हैं, you have time bound thing ना. मुझे 1 घंटे में गुड़गांव से नोएडा पहुंच रहा है. That's time bound. ये थोड़ी होता है कि you just start today from Gurgaon and probably in 3 months, 4 months, I will reach. You have a time limit for everything. So why don't you have time limits for your goals? So it is very important that you have time limits for your goal. Okay, so let's go back again to the previous slide. Be no more than 2 to 3 sentences. Goal has to be small, concise, precise. So I want to double my salary, or I want to increase my salary by 10 times and have larger goals. Include exactly what needs to be accomplished. You have to be very specific. So once again, it says this is where the goal is. So you should be able to fill your goal in this part. What is the goal? Then you should have a completion date. So it has got a date of completion at the end. In the last column, you can see the completion. Then it's a, how will you know the goal is done, right? That is why you require a completion date, and you know once you achieve that, that is how it is done. How will the goal be done? Obviously, there is certain action which you have to do. Who is in charge of completing the goal? Obviously, you are. But in between certain actions, you may put someone else also, like your coach, your physical trainer, or your mentor, who can help you in achieving those goals, right? Then this list also has the SMART checklist. This SMART checklist is only to help you fill this goal. So when you write that goal on a rough piece of paper, please check whether they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, right? So it should have all these columns. Then you can tick in case they are specific, right? Then they are measurable, say tick. Then your action, so they are achievable, yes, tick. Are they relevant to my overall goals? Yes. Are they time bound? Within 1 year, I will do it? Yes. So this is done. And then in the end, there are a few columns for the action. So if I say my salary needs to change within next, double in next, say, 3 years, or you want to double it in, say, or you want to make it 10 times in next 5 years, then what all action you need to do? So I need to skill myself. I need to learn SAP. I need to learn certain more software. I do need to do a course in data science, or I need to do some machine learning course or something like that. So if that all have to be done, then it will come into the last column. This SMART goal setting is very, very important. You need to fill this thing to ensure how do you this. Because unless until you are truthful to yourself, unless until you tell yourself, you don't have to lie to yourself. It is about you. If you're serious in life and you want to improve your career, you want to go to just the next level of life, it is you who has to do it. Don't expect your parents, friends, or colleagues to do it for you. No one is going to do for you. It is you, because you are the benefactor of that entire process which you're going to do, the achievement of goals. Okay. So let's see again what goal setting process, what we did right now. Again, just to reiterate to you, decide exactly what you want to do in key area of your life: income, health, net worth. That is, I should have a property worth 500 crores or something, and social standing as to what level of promotion I need. So one of these you can take. Write 10 goals. That's what they say. Write 10 goals. And out of those 10 goals, pick up top 3. The most important one, the priority one, which you think this needs my priority. You can have 10 goals, but then take the priority. Document it. You can document that goal in the same SMART goal setting worksheet, right? Then set a deadline. You have to set a deadline to everything you do in life, right? You can't have open-ended. Identify obstacles. There can be a lot of obstacles, right? In the next sheet, I'll tell you what are these obstacles, how can they come. So your budget can be an obstacle, right? Time can be obstacles. You need to manage time. Your relationship sometimes stops you from achieving your goal. So that is an obstacle. Identify the knowledge, information, and skill you need. So you need to have those goal. ऐसा नहीं है today I'm at this level and within 5 years I want to have my 10 times salary. But how do you do that? There has to be some level of changes that has to be brought in, and large changes. I need to improve on my skills. If I'm a digital marketing guy, Mayank, you are a digital marketing guy. Now, if you want to change to a different level, obviously you got to learn more. You need to work for different companies, and those companies will now tell you that you got to have this, right? So you got to understand what are the courses, skills, information, knowledge and experience I need to have to reach that level, right? Okay. And let's understand this one small theory of constraint. There's always one limiting factor or that sets the speed at which you can achieve what is not for you. That is means that there can be some limiting factor. It could be money, it could be time, it could be kind of job which you're looking for. That is holding you back from achievement of your goal. 80% of the reasons are holding you back from achieving goals are from inside yourself. That's the worst thing. 80% of the time, it is you who is stopping from achieving your goal. There's no outsider needed. We destroy our own career. Half of the time we don't want to sit. And I must give you my example. After 3 decades, more than 3 decades of work, I am spending at least 12 to 14 hours on this chair where I'm sitting right now, just to learn, just to get into this coaching business. And after 3 decades, and at times my body is aching. After that, I have to do some physical workout. I have to do a lot of other things. I want to entertain myself, but then that's not happening because I've focused so much into this particular thing. So I've learned various things. I've learned the digital marketing in some way. I've learned to create digital assets. I'm looking into creation of all these kind of assets where I can create a complete course of coaching. I'm learning from so many things. So for goal setting, I had to do 3 different courses. One from Brian Tracy, from another from a Russian coach, and one on my own. So 3 courses. Then only I could understand how do you do goal setting, right? And then I realized that, it is not easy. So, but if I would have said, okay, I would love to see Netflix, or I would like to go to Amazon and see what all new movies are coming. Fine, once in a while you should do it. You can do it for 1 hour every day. But unless until you are focused and you're not pushing yourself to do that, nothing is going to change. Be happy. The example which I gave you of Raju and Pappu, you can be the Pappu of your family and friends and say, ye Pappu hai, right? I'm not referring to any political Pappu, but I'm talking about you as a Pappu. But if you want to be brilliant, you can be Raju, who is very brilliant, right? And 20% are the reasons you're not achieving is outside. So outside, I would say even your budget is outside you. So you have a limited salary, so you can always manage. But I can tell you, when I studied in Kellogg School of Management in Chicago, I had to take loan. And I had to study in MIT Boston, I had to take loan, education loan. Some of the education loan I'm still paying. So you have to find a way, right? A lot of people say, you take education loan when only you're doing, grad or post grad. That is the time you need education loan. It's up to you. You don't want to study beyond that. And if you have to study and you want to spend some amount of money, or you also would like to, achieve from one of the top institutes in the world, obviously you have to pay. And if you have to pay, you will take loan. And because you have to now take a loan, so you need to work harder to repay that loan. So that is how you push yourself. So 80% of those theory of constraints is those constraints are within you. You change yourself and things will change automatically. Friends will also come and support you. Your parents will also come and support you. Your company will also. In one of the companies, when I went to MIT Boston, I took support from a Dutch firm where I was working. And they supported me. Because companies also like employees who want to improve themselves, who want to go to the next level. So this is very important. Okay. Now coming on to potential problems and complication. When you set your goals, you do not actually get into details. आप उस पूरी डिटेल में नहीं जाते हैं कि मुझे क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी. इसीलिए वो मैंने वर्कशीट आपको दे रखी है. और जो नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट हम कराएंगे उसके अंदर भी आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि यू हैव टू write down your potential problems and complication. Probably you may not get time from the office, you may have only one weekend, but you require 3 hours of studies. Can you spread over the week? Third is money is a constraint. There can be some disturbance. Your family commitment is a problem. Someone is not well in your home, so you have to spend time into that also. So half of the time you are yourself a big problem. Everyone can be motivated, but when you are not ready to get motivated, you can't do anything. Atul Holkar can come and sit with you and give you a free master class of achieving your goal. And after this, you're going to just close everything and not even download the free document which I've sent you, right? So obviously there has to be some motivation inside you to push yourself. We all want to enjoy life and be very happy, but we don't want to put in efforts to, bring us to that level of enjoyment. List all the potential problems, issues, and complications that is likely to happen as when you're striving to achieve the goal. If you acknowledge potential issues before they happen, you can make it if and then. Suppose, what is if and then statement? If this happens, then I will do this. If I need money, I will apply for loan. If I don't get time in the day, I will study in the night. If I don't get time in the week, I will study during the weekend. So these are lot of if and then statements. So unless until you list your problems, लिस्ट योर कंस्ट्रेंट्स कि इसकी वजह से मेरे को नहीं कर पाऊंगा अपना एजुकेशन, या मैं अपना प्रमोशन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, या मैं ये सब चीजें नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, हाउ विल यू नो मूव अहेड? सो यू हैव टू रियली plan everything. So besides goal setting, smart goal setting, you have to have a time bound plan. Then you have to look into your audit of what are the gaps which I need to do to ensure that the goal setting is done, right? And I achieve my goal. And then is the problem which come into this. So let's go to the next slide with that. Completion date of the goal. Why it is important, which I've been telling you since the beginning of this entire masterclass, that recognizes you targeted completion date for this goal, right? Should have a target date for completion. By filling this completion date, you are reaffirming the goal. That means once you put it onto this, the goal completion date at the end of this, right? When you look into this, that is where you put door. So it is a deadline in your mind. And I one of these at the end of this entire masterclass, we will do one NLP exercise. I will explain to you why priming your mind, telling your mind repeatedly that this is my goal, this is I want. Please understand, this is how life works. कभी आपने सोचा है कि आज जैसे अगर आपने अपनी कोई मोटरसाइकिल खरीदनी है, कार खरीदनी है, कोई चीज खरीदनी है और आप सोचते हैं यार मुझे ये लेना है, और जैसे ही आप बाजार में जाते हैं आपको सिर्फ वही चीजें नजर आती, वही कार नजर आएगी, वही मोटरसाइकिल नजर आएगी. वो क्यों होता है? बिकॉज नाउ योर माइंड इज प्राइम्ड, it is ready to achieve that goal. Similarly, that happens with you. If you decide this is what I want to do, then everything, जैसे वो शाहरुख खान की पिक्चर में कहा था कि कायनात की सारी ताकतें हैं वो इकट्ठा होकर आपको मदद करती हैं आपके गोल अचीवमेंट में. So you got to prime your mind for that. Okay. Now let's come to create a list of action items. So between your goal setting to achievement, there has to be small little processes, right? और वो पीरियड हो सकता है 1 साल का हो, 2 साल का हो, जो भी आप डेडलाइन देते हैं वो आपकी डेडलाइन के हिसाब से साल, 2 साल, 5 साल का है वो. और कई गोल होते हैं बड़े कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं. कोई अगर आप कहें कि मेरा गोल है मेरे को अपनी सैलरी को 10 टाइम्स करना है, आई वांट टू इंप्रूव माय सैलरी बाय 10 टाइम्स, then obviously it's complex. It's not that tomorrow you go to boss की boss अब मेरा ना अपनी सैलरी को 10 टाइम्स करना है, तो आप जाके ऊपर सीईओ से बात कर लो और मेरे को 10 टाइम्स दे दो. ऐसा तो इतना आसान तो है नहीं. You have to put in lot of efforts, right? Some of those efforts will come from you. Some you may have to get some support from others, whether you go to institute for certification, some for some basically understanding that what are the experience which I need. So you need to get into those details. So you got to create the list. I need to learn this, I need to learn this, and every of these will have a small date within that. Like a Gantt chart, you can create a project for yourself. And each of these small little thing is a mini goal for you. Okay, so though I am telling you as to what exactly you need to do, but we are also having this plan from Art of Working, where I will personally help you out in setting your goals and invest into your dreams, right? Though I must tell you that these goal setting exercises across the world or even in the best of the corporate cost huge amount of money, but I'm just barely covering my cost because of various courses and various things which I buy, whether digital or physical. So that is where this cost is. This particular plan is of 999. However, let's go to the next slide. And let's come to the document 3, that is the growth execution plan. So how does that go? Document 3, those wonderful people who have downloaded the documents, I'm sure they must be having, and if they are like, Papu, which I said they have not bothered much, they need to, but the mere fact that you came to this master class, you are definitely on the way to become Raju, right? So this is one document which I gave you, and it is called the goal execution plan, right? So you need to look into the goal execution plan. And how does it happen? In one of the column, it says goals and action steps. What date are you going to stop? So you have to write first goal. If you have got 3 different goals, then you have to write the first goal. Then what are the action steps? So if the first goal is that I want to become the manager, right? If you're at a junior level, you want to become manager, then you have to write the action plan. Then I have to improve my Excel sheet, knowledge. I need to achieve this particular skills. I have to ensure I start submitting my reports in time, and this is what I want to do. So these are steps, and those steps, who's responsible is the next column. So you have to say if you are responsible, your manager is responsible, or some trainer outside is responsible, he is responsible. Starting metrics. Starting, when you say starting metrics, is where are you right now, and where do you want to go is the final metrics. And if you want to put some notes on that. And last is the end date. So every small little goal of your sheet must have an end date. How to use this? Let's once again revise this. This worksheet includes action items that need to be tracked. So once again, these are the action item in the first column which you have to write. This goal you want to use to be part of your, so obviously these actions have to be part of your overall goal. The goal setting has 3 goals. So I put just 3 goals here. And that is my submission to you is, or not, do not have more than 3 goals, right? Otherwise you will not be able to manage. Under each goal, there are 6 different action items which you can write. So you can write 1 action, 6 action maximum. That will help you. Obviously, which I give you the smart goal setting sheet, you must have those goals out of that smart. So these are 2 complementary sheets with each other. So first you do the smart goal setting sheet. You have to fill that. From there, this action sheet will come, and you have to fill this action sheet. So these will be small little steps. Umesh, I'm sure you're understanding, and Khushi as well, right? What does goal execution plan include? So what does it include? It includes the globe. Just a second, sorry. So it includes goals and action steps, start date, responsible, who is responsible. Starting metrics means if suppose your goal is losing 10 kgs, then you have to say today I am 80 kgs and I want to, and final metrics is 70 kgs, right? If you are going to spend some money on it, so there is a budget which you have to spend some money, so you can plan your budget as well, right? Okay. Now coming to the NLP exercise. What is a NLP exercise? So it is called neuro-linguistic program. Neuro-linguistic programming, right? Now what is a neuro-linguistic programming is that you can train your brain. It is not, see, brain is the super hub and supercomputer of your body. So there is 2 things, the brain and the mind. Brain is the physical part or the biological part of your body. and mind is what you put into the brain, is the software, right? So once again, brain is the biological part, the hardware, and the mind is the software. Brain for every human beings across the world is of nearly the same size. It is of same shape. It is of the same consistency. But what you put into that brain is different. All of us would have same kind of phone. So if I have Samsung 9 or 10 plus, then if there are people who have Samsung 10 plus, they all have the same hardware. But what apps we have put is, that is the software. So brain is the hardware, mind is the software. So what all thinking I do? Think big. Moment you think big in life, big will happen. I wanted to, from my college days, I have always thought about Pepsi. I used to drink Pepsi. I used to wonder how Pepsi works, and I worked into Pepsi. I never realized that probably I was being primed to get to the place where I loved. Emotionally connect to your goals. You should emotionally connect. How do you do? By visualizing the end. Just close your eyes and start thinking that once I become the general manager of a company, how will I look like? A large office, everyone really, liking me, respecting me, large car, more money. These are the kind of visualization. Once brain start realizing these things, it helps you in undergoing. Like I am the coach, right? I had to do 3 4 major trainings, including one from University of California Berkeley, on to positive psychology, and I'm still studying. I had to become a life coach. I had to do a transformation course studies, right? There were small little things which I had to do. I had to get myself certified from in neuro linguistic programming from Richard Bandler. So all these certifications had to be done. And what I was visualizing is that one day I will hold a master class. Another is that I would have thousands of people listening to me, and I will be able to motivate a lot of people. And then I also visualizing that how will it change my life. I will not have 9 to 5 job. I will have no boss to report to. I am one person. I don't want to be restricted by corporate and boss and vision and mission and all those kind of things. I have my own vision and my own mission. That is why I used to think that I should do this. What will happen if I don't achieve the goal? Obviously, it's going to demoralize me, right? I need to achieve. I am made for bigger things in life. You keep telling your brain this, your mind will absorb everything. Keep sometimes few minutes to yourself and just visualize how will it look like when you achieve all this. Imagine that you're telling this success story to so many people in life. You have you're standing there and says the boss kaise aap yahan pahunche, or how did you reach here. You're giving a big lecture in some auditorium and telling probably your own college people, right? You go back to your college, whatever alumni you may be of that college, right? You go there and tell the youngsters out there, that this is how I achieved my goal. Imagine that. So this is called neuro-linguistic programming of brain. So firstly, few things which I will tell you, let's understand. Write your goals. Have deadlines. Have small actions. Train your brain. Keep telling your brain that this is what I will become. This is how will I look like, right? Once you tell your brain automatically primes you up. Why? When I was a soldier and I was posted in Ladakh, and in that terrain it is so cold that I had to make. I used to have some ice cream powder in my ration, and I used to make some ice cream, and I used to just put it outside my hut, and after 20 minutes I used to go and pick it up. It used to be all frozen. But how do you eat ice cream in Ladakh? So you make your heater in the room so warm that becomes like Delhi heat, and do that. But whenever there used to be issues of weather or enemy or something, I used to prime my brain that I am a soldier. And that's what everyone does in army. They say you are the soldier on which the entire nation depends. Why do those 20 people died in Ladakh? That is because their mind was trained to die. Mind was trained to give their life to save their colleagues. Mind was trained to save the country, and mind was trained to fight the enemy. So you can, create that mind. If you look at into a negative example of people who go and blast themselves up, those terrorists, it doesn't happen that he just wants to die on his own. His mind is played. People work on his mind and they train him that this is the ultimate sacrifice you can do for the entire thing, whatever the mission is. So that's a negative example, but that is what the strength of the brain is. What you want to do, you have to imagine. You have to tell your brain repeatedly, repeatedly, repeatedly. So we have done 2 exercises today. Once again, first is SMART goals setting worksheet. If you have not filled it, my sincere this thing is everyone who has decided to come attend this masterclass, please get this filled by yourself. Take time. Second is the goal execution form. So you must fill this form so that you know what steps have to be taken. And the first sheet which I gave you is career goal questionnaire, right? Besides these 3 sheets, I had also sent you a link of MBTI test. That MBTI test has been provided by a dear friend of mine called Akshay Jain. Akshay Jain is a digital marketing guy, and you can please look into his YouTube. Amazing guy. In fact, I must thank Akshay again for giving me the entire knowledge of doing this digital media management, right? So I learned how to make videos. I learned how to make YouTube videos, how to do the webinars and all those things. A great guy. So please subscribe to his channel, Akshay Jain's channel, onto the YouTube. So I have, that I've been since last few webinars, I've been also giving this one small training program. Let me just a second. And this is called Counseling Session by Atul Holkar. And this particular program it's for 30 plus 30 minutes. Personal counseling where we do career strategizing, we do gap analysis, skilling, reskilling, CV guidance, prospective industry search, job search guidance, increasing productivity at work, and stress management. This is besides the other program which was for $9.99. My team will be mailing you both these programs in case you want to have personalized this thing. But irrespective of that, my sincere submission is please look into the mail which Art of Working had sent to you, and that mail is very, very important. You must look into all the 3 sheets, fill those 3 sheets by yourself, and then start working towards your goal. It is so wonderful that today you all people have joined this entire webinar or masterclass and have listened to me and spent so much of time. So this shows very clearly that you are one of those determined people who want to change the career or your own career, right? Or you want to achieve those goals. So take this as the starting point, right? Today is 21st of June 2020. It need not be 1st of January. It can be 21st of June. From today, get into the details, look into this sheet. Today is Sunday, you have enough of time. Within next 7 days, you can look into this. If you can fill all these forms and work onto it, great. If you feel that you need my support, then my program is available. Please get in contact with my team. My team is also going to send you a link for the payment, and then you can subscribe to one of these forms where I will personally be involved in helping you in either the coaching part of it or onto the goal setting part of it. So now I will request my team to open the mic, unmute the mics so that we can take whatever questions we want to take. You can unmute your mic if you want to, ask some questions, please. Can I see?
Hi Atul, this is Mayank. Atul, am I audible?
Hello, can you hear me now? Anyone who
Yeah,
wants
yeah.
to ask a question, please?
Hi Atul, this is Mayank.
Hi, Mayank, how are you?
Hi, doing great. So Atul, this was a great session. I have been following you for such a long time, and this was so great. I just have one question. So can you please explain a little bit about MBTI? So what is it all about?
Yeah, so MBTI, as the mail says, that it's a test on the psychology. The psychology part of it. It understands the entire internal makeup of your mind, and then that test actually guides you which are the areas where you can actually you would be doing well. I'm not saying that you can't do well in any sector, but it also guides you to which are the areas of work which you should look into, because that is how your mind is made up, right? So you can pick up those areas.
Okay, super. That's clear my doubt,
Yeah,
Atul.
so you must take that test. So it's a very
Yeah,
nice.
for sure, Atul, for sure.
Yeah.
I have already taken it. I'll send you the report on the mail
Sure,
like that
sure,
you have
sure.
shared with me. Okay, thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Anyone else who wants to question before we end this session? You can unmute and ask me, or you can mail me. You have the details available to you, so you can mail us that.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Who's this? Akshay?
Yes, sir. This is Akshay. And sir, I have one question that while attending your one-to-one master classes,
Uh-huh.
so how would it go? Like uh, guidance and like how it can go
So,
for a month, or like it's like a one-day session.
okay, so I'll tell you what. So if you look into one of my programs, I'll just show you the program. Yeah. So if you go into this particular program called counseling session, what we do is we have two sessions of 30 minutes each. Before that, we give you the complete list of form which you need to fill. We understand your current career, we understand your background. Then we also ask you a lot of questions in the first session as to what are your dreams and what exactly are you looking at into your career, which is the area, which is the industry you want to work in. Then we do gap analysis with you. Then in the next session, we help you in skilling and reskilling guidance as to which are the courses you need to do, what is the time period you have. If I in the first session when we ask for your CV, we also look into the issues of your CV, and then see that can you improve your CV also. Then prospective industry search, job search is another area which we look into. Increase how in case you can want to continue in the current company, how you can improve on your productivity, how can you manage stress, how can you learn new skills, all those things. And this program generally costs 10,000 rupees, but just because it's a COVID time and a lot of people are losing jobs, so we don't want to have additional burden on any one of them. So we have doing it for 1499.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Akshay. Thanks for attending. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being part of this class. It's been great, talking to you. And let's be in touch. You have already subscribed to Art of Working. So, Art of Working, whenever they have any masterclass or webinars, we will be informing you. And let's remain connected. Thank you so much. And
Yes,
God
sir.
bless you. God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
sir.
much, Atul,
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
for the great session.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
take care.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
You too. Bye.